Hello, you are probably watching this video because you've experienced data loss and you are located in San Antonio, Texas. We have great news for you. Computer Forensic Repair, our trusted partner in San Antonio, has teamed up with Secure Data Recovery to provide you with the most convenient and reliable data recovery services available. If your hard drive is clicking or beeping, you dropped or damaged your mobile phone, you broke your flash drive, or multiple drives failed on your RAID array, do not panic. Our experienced team is here to help you at 6025 Tezel Rd, number 101, San Antonio, Texas. Computer Forensic Repair is conveniently located near the intersection of Tezel Road and Timber Path in the Timber Path Plaza. It's next to the LifeStorage and Walmart Supercenter is right down the street. With ample parking available, it's easy to get to us. Secure Data Recovery Services is the authority in hard drive recovery, SSD recovery, mobile phone recovery, and RAID data recovery. We offer fully transparent SSAE 18 audited professional services to all our clients. You can rest easy knowing that our in-lab evaluations come with no hidden fees or upfront costs. Our no data, no recovery fee guarantee ensures that you only pay us if we successfully recover your data. In the unlikely event that we can't recover your data, you pay nothing. So you can trust us to get your data back or you pay nothing at all. Don't hesitate and contact us today or visit Computer Forensic Repair in San Antonio and let us help you recover your precious data.